Dear conference participants, I am Stanislav Milevskyi, Associate Professor of Cybersecurity Department of the National Technical University Kharkiv Polytechnic Institute. And in this report, I want to present the results of the research on the topic information protection methods in cyber-physical systems. The development of high technologies and the rapid growth of computing systems have made it possible to rapidly develop mobile technologies and make prerequisites for the integration of Internet of Things and mobile technologies. The emergence of a new direction, smart city provides further digitalization and expansion of the range of services. So-called social cyber-physical systems are being formed that ensure the integration of computer, Internet of Things with social networking and mobile technologies. However, in the other hand, such development trends from a new vector of threats in cyberspace, which requires protection not only of physical structure of social cyber-physical systems, but also the need to protect control systems, which are usually located in the cloud. There is an objective need to form multi-counter security systems that take into account the synergy and hybridity of modern threats in three security components: cybersecurity, information security, and security of information. This slide presents an analysis of modern wireless technologies, taking into account the provision of security services. As a rule, symmetric and asymmetric crypto systems are used to provide security services. However, unfortunately, in the post-quantum period, as the appearance of a full-scale quantum computer, the stability of such systems, according to experts from the NIST USA, is called into question. To ensure security in mesh sensor networks of cyber-physical systems with elements of the Internet of Things, the mechanisms of KNX standard are used. The main approaches are presented in this slide. AES encryption is used as the main security mechanisms. However, the control system itself and the technologies of the smart home system is based on cloud technologies, which doesn't provide an opportunity for an objective assessment of the level of security of the system as a whole. It is believed that everything is secure and free of threats in the cloud, but this is far from the case, and the results of 2021 report shows that 43% of cloud technologies do not provide the required level of security and are susceptible to threats. But it becomes necessary to consider not only the classification of threats, both in the internal and external contours of threats, but also the formation of a multi-counter security system based on a set of threat models for all components of security. This approach provides the ability to form an objective threat assessment and accordingly allows to build a stable protection system. This slide shows the proposed classifier of threats, which is intuitively understandable to the average person and takes into account not only the synergy or hybridity of modern threats, but also allows to identify critical points in the infrastructure of social cyber-physical system. In this slide, we can see a structural logical diagram of a multi-counter security system, which allows to take into account the totality of threats to the components of security, both in the internal counter and the external one. In addition to this concept, we propose to use post-quantum algorithms, the cryptocode constructions of McEllis and Niederreiter, which, while taking into account the level of secrecy, we propose to use various codes for constructing data of asymmetric crypto systems. The latter are just used in wireless internet technologies. This makes it possible to use these protocols at no additional cost. This slide also presents the decoding algorithm, which allows to reduce the error level when decoding the PDLC code word. The main elements are three components: a key generation server, a software application, and a chipset with a programmable encoder. The practical implementation of the proposed protection mechanisms is implemented to close the voice internet channel of mobile communication and allows a real-time provision of a confidentiality service. At the same time, this approach allows to close any communication channel and provide the level of security required in the post-quantum crypto period. This approach is proposed to be used in the smart home system. However, in addition to the three components of the security system, it is proposed to use its own control server, which allows to close the communication channels between the sensors and the control server. And there is no need to create a security system based on cloud technologies. This ensures single continuity and accordingly a higher level of security for the system as a whole. The results of using the proposed solution provide security in the post-quantum period, reduce the cost of providing security services, and allow integration into any smart city, mesh, and sensor network technologies. At the same time, the basis in the post-quantum encryption algorithms, the crypto code systems of McAllis and Niederreiter on codes that provide resistance to modern threats. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.